Rubbish.
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 We all make it, and we all create it. But do you know what to do with it in your offices? Do you know how to dispose of your coffee capsule? What about your bottle of water? Sometimes knowing the correct way to recycle is confusing. But don't worry. We're here to clean things up. Let's dive into how we can make our offices cleaner, sustainable, and better for everyone. And guess what? It starts even before you throw something away. Right now, some of our waste is mixed up and may end up in landfill. But by just taking a few extra seconds, we can sort our waste and make a huge difference. And it gets even better. By reusing and reducing, we can create even less waste to begin with. Ready to learn how? Here's the plan. We'll give you some tips on how to recycle properly, and how to reuse more, making our offices not just cleaner but smarter too. You can always advise the bin stickers we have developed internally for all our EMEA sites. First things first, let's get to know our bins. Recyclables bin. According to each country's legislation, the recyclable bins may vary. However, the main rule is the same in recyclable bins. For paper, glass, plastic, organic waste, etc., you should place clean paper, cardboard, glass, metal, and certain plastics. These can be recycled and turned into something new. But remember, if it's dirty, it doesn't belong here. Non-recyclables / general waste bin. This is for items that can't be recycled, like plastic wrappers, coffee cups with wax linings, used paper, and certain types of packaging. Basically, if you're unsure, it's safer to put it here. Organic waste bin. Food waste, tea bags, coffee grounds, this is where they belong. If your office has a composting system, these will be turned into rich soil, rather than rotting away in a landfill. Now, let's talk about something even better than recycling, reducing, and reusing. Tip 1. Reuse, where you can bring your own coffee cup, water bottle, and lunch container to work. It's a small change that can save tons of waste. Tip 2. Think before you print. Going digital not only saves paper but also reduces clutter. And when you must print, try to use both sides of the paper. Tip 3. Choose reusable over disposable. Opt for reusable items like cloth bags instead of plastic ones, and consider durable, long-lasting products instead of single-use items. Now, let's take a quick tour across some of our offices in EMEA, because recycling rules can differ. Let's hear from our colleagues how waste segregation works in their sites.
Since joining Berlin in March 2023, I've seen significant improvements in sustainability. In the next months, we will put in place initiatives to improve waste separation at our sites. We've made great strides, though there's still more to do.
Managing hazardous waste is a priority in our workplace. Employees are informed through written guidelines, and special bins are provided for inks, toners, and other materials. Our authorized supplier collects them regularly for safe disposal. In the office, we also have bins for batteries and fluorescent lamps, fostering an environmentally responsible culture.
At the terminal headquarters, we have different types of containers, so that we can segregate the corresponding waste in each one. Subsequently, the operators transfer the waste from these containers to the industrial containers, where the authorized waste manager oversees its treatment.
And remember to always refer to our waste management framework to facilitate waste segregation. Whether you're in France, Ireland, Netherlands, or anywhere in between, let's keep our offices clean, green, and smart. Thanks for watching, and remember, waste reduction and segregation start with you.